24th of May 2024 was a black day for terrorists in Burkina Faso. The defense forces took out dozens of them, like they were struck down at the North Center by a successful collaboration between helicopters, air vector, and ground troop. The sky fighters were alerted on a major attack. This attack posed an imminent threat to a local village, demonstrating swift and decisive action. Quickly, they responded to the call. Upon arrival, he identified several hundred enemy motorcycles advancing, like they came in a large number with a motorcycle, advancing rapidly towards the village. Their intentions very hostile. Realizing the potential for a massacre, Commander Main made the critical decision to deploy a small missile. This precise strike forced the attackers to abandon their assault and flee the village. The quick thinking and action of Commander Main averted what could have been a catastrophic event. As the attackers attempted to retreat, the Air Force conducted precise follow-up strikes. These targeted operations effectively disrupted the criminals' plans, preventing them from regrouping and launching another assault. The swift response and tactical precision of Burkina Faso's Air Force not only safeguarded the village, but also demonstrated the military's capability to respond to and neutralize threats efficiently. On May 25th, intelligence operations revealed a significant gathering of criminals in a garbage area preparing for an attack. The group had assembled under the trees, unaware that they were being closely monitored by the Burkina Faso Air Force. In a swift and decisive response, targeted strikes were launched, setting the area ablaze and effectively neutralizing the threat. The very next day, May 26th, further criminal activities also were seen. A group of criminals on motorcycles were spotted congregating at Tilga, 25 kilometers east of Pisla. Once again, they sought cover under trees, this time mango trees, hoping to evade detection. However, they were quickly locked in and struck by precise air attacks. The ensuing fire consumed their logistics and personnel, disrupting their plans and causing significant damage. Later that same day, another group of criminals gathered under the large borom trees in the center north. This time, careful observation and coordination led to a rapid and well-executed operation involving special forces units. A missile strike caused panic among the criminals. Who attempted to flee but were intercepted by attack helicopters. Special forces were then deployed to handle any survival, secure the area, and recover any logistics left behind. These operations highlight the effectiveness and coordination of Burkina Faso's military forces in responding to and neutralizing threats. The successful strikes on May 25th and 26th underscore the importance of intelligence, surveillance, and rapid response in maintaining security and thwarting potential attacks. The Burkina Faso Air Force, alongside ground troops and special forces, continues to demonstrate their commitment to protecting the nation and its citizens from criminal activities. Wow, this is victory, big victory for the Burkina Faso. This is big victory for them. and then a black day for the criminals. Thank you so very much for your time again with me. I don't take it for granted. Hope to see you in my next as I bring your way again more trending news. Bye.